Hi everyone, this is Sabrina Naqvi and I'm here at Mashion and I'm gonna show you guys how I do my makeup. So it's like no makeup look, like how I go out with my friends and sometimes I shoot too, because I always like doing less. I feel like less is more. Okay, I'm gonna start with my sunblock. As you can see, it's used, so it's true. I'm a little confused, but you should not be confused when it comes to your sunscreen. This is a really nice sunblock. It's from Beauty of Joseon, or something like that. It's a Korean brand and I think it's really good. Since my skin is like acne prone. Done. I've got a primer. Okay, so it does have like this SPF 30. And I have a moisturizer. I like to make my skin look glowy and dewy, so I use a lot of preparation on this. Yeah, and then I like to make a cocktail out of this. Everything has been used, so yeah. और आँखें भी नहीं भूलेगा. And neck, of course. Neck is really important. थोड़ा सा moisturize कर लेते हैं फिर से. Why not? Okay, so I've prepared my skin. I feel like I am glossy, dewy, sorry. And one thing I forgot, that you gotta have clips. Even though I feel like my hair are not bugging me, but I feel like, you know what, gotta do it the right way. Yes. Okay, so now I'm gonna conceal the most important part. And even my palette is literally used. I don't know how people are blessed with no what's it called? Eye bags, dark circles. I mean, I feel like guys are generally lucky. They wake up, they have to do nothing. So I'm really jealous of them for that. Only, nothing else. Yeah, I think it's pretty concealed. So I'm gonna use my base. I don't use a really fancy base. It's a Pakistani brand and I just like to use that because बहुत सारी base try कर ली हैं and acne माशाल्लाह से कभी रुकती नहीं है. फिर पाकिस्तानी ही में सही हैं हम. Okay, I don't like to use too much foundation but gotta put the dot. And yes, do not forget your neck. अब हम इसको blend करते हैं. क्या हो गया? Actually एक mirror है जिसको मैं देखती हूँ and अच्छा करना चाह रही हूँ. एक तो मुंह खुल जाता है जब भी whenever you do anything with your eye, right? Like the eye area, you're always like, it's so weird, right? Okay, now the neck. अपनी neck मत भूलेगा because बहुत funny लगता है जब हम यहाँ से साफ हो जाते, मतलब आप थोड़ा सा fair लगते हैं and then here you're like really bad. So I feel like no. I feel like the blending has been right, I guess. I don't know. I'm gonna zoom myself a little bit with my little tiny mirror. Yeah, now I can see myself a little. Okay. I think I'm done. Also, it's winters, so my skin is really dry. I have a combination skin, but aaj mashallah se. This is done, don't worry, it's gonna blend, promise. But first, we're gonna use eyeshadow. I like to use the lightest eyeshadow and kind of put it here because my hand is a palette. Yeah, just as natural as it gets because that's what I love. And right here, just to give your eyes a little bit pop. Eyelash curler. This is the worst part, but you gotta use it, man. आपकी आँखें एकदम खुल जाती हैं. This is a new eyelash curler. इसमें पता नहीं क्या 3 dots हैं, तो एक आपकी eyelash जो है ना माशाल्लाह से कुछ तो फर्क आया. Oh shit. Yeah, I feel like मेरी आँख इससे खुली है. Okay, so I have curled my lashes. So for a no makeup look that I do, right, I obviously emphasize on the eye and keep it as natural as it gets. Yeah. मेरा दिल चाह रहा है मैं ये भी बताऊँ. Oh, this is this product. What is this product? I don't know. I feel like whenever you do your mascara, you just gotta make those funny faces. I mean, there's no need that I gotta open my mouth, but you know, Makes me feel good, I guess. Under, gotta do it. Now I'm not gonna go like crazy ape shit on this. And gotta close it too. A little bit of OCD, you can't help it. Okay, to kind of, you know, blend out everything. And I have a really cute pink sponge because I love pink. That. I usually don't contour. I don't care about this chisel neck or whatever, you know, neck, cheek, whatever. I just like to keep it natural. So I'm going to be using my blush and blush. Since I love Hailey Bieber, I like to put it on my side, bona fudge. But yeah, extra. Okay, so I do have blush blindness. Really bad one. But let's blend it. अभी तो लग रहा है चमाट मार दिया मुझे किसी ने बहुत बड़ा अस्तगफिरुल्लाह. A little bit on the nose. Yeah, थोड़ा सा चमाट हो गया. Sorry guys. ये थोड़ा सा blend करूँगी. ये ज़्यादा हुआ है ना? हाँ, ये ज़्यादा चमाट लग रही है मुझे. I have blush blindness. Do you think I think it's fine? Oh my God! See, you tell me. Be honest. Even. Yeah, this is what happens when you're a girl and you have blush blindness. Is it better? Guys, please. I slapped myself. My hair, miss my hair. Okay, so blush. With blush, I like to add a highlighter. And this is my Emily in Paris highlighter. Ain't nothing like Emily, but okay. To give it a little bit of... Yeah, I love it. Love it. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Hey guys, I'm almost done. Was that fast? Very fast? Oh my God, I'm glad. So I don't like to make my eyebrows really dark. So this mascara is light brown. I don't like really thick eyebrows anymore. Maybe because it's not in fashion. Back in the days, I used to love those thick eyebrows. Now I feel like it's thin. Last but not the least, lip. I like to outline it with an outline pencil. And I have this problem where my hand shakes like a little too much. Is it because I don't drink water? No, I drink a lot of water, by the way. So calcium ki kami. It's so embarrassing. You guys are gonna be like, "Inke hath hi hilta rehta hai." And then my lip tint. It's really natural. Last but not the least, setting spray. Look at your dust. Smells alright. Okay, let it dry. I'm gonna let it dry and then show you guys the last look. Give me a minute. Let's go dry karna. Okay, you guys, so this is the final look. I don't think I took a really long time, did I? See, so yeah, whenever I'm running late or whenever I'm just going out, I like to go in like in the last time, like last minute. So I do this makeup. I try to keep it as natural as it gets. Even my lip color, I feel, is like really natural. But yeah, I feel like hamara pani abhi bhi thoda sa absorb ho jaye. But yeah, I think, you know, I like it. Do you guys like it? Are you sure? Okay, guys, so I hope you guys like my look, first of all, because I think I like it. And these guys here are saying that it's nice also, okay? So better like it, subscribe it, share it. Pata nahi kya, but just do it, okay? Because I kind of like that.